In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Calendar View in Trello. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Trello account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you will see on your workspaces the projects or the exact boards that you have. I want to go to the content creation project or board. Now, what you want to do is on the top, you will see the title of your board. And if you go to the left hand side here on views, you will see an option for a calendar view. If you look at the calendar view, it actually is a whole calendar for the month. You could actually change this into, let's say, the day. Then it will look exactly like this. Now, within the week, we could add specific cards for each and every day of the week. And it will automatically set the due date or the time that it was created within that day. And that's about it. That's how to use Calendar View in Trello. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.